Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get red packet code in Binance, right? It's actually pretty easy, and there's an actual website from Binance itself, which you can go ahead and check out. Say, for example, let's go ahead and open up our browser right here. Now, what we're going to do next is just type down binance.com/square/profile/daily-red-packet-code. Okay, again, binance.com/square/profile/daily-red-packet-code. You just tap on it and you'll be able to see this exact page or website. Okay, red packet code. As you can see here, as we're recording, it's January 25, 2026, and here's the free red packet code for today. Okay, they're posting daily right here, so you won't miss it out. All you gotta do is just copy it. Now go ahead over to your Binance account right here, go to home, 3 lines, scroll down, more services right here, scroll down under common function. Okay, we have pay, tap on pay, and just tap on red packet right here. Okay, red packet, paste that code in here, claim. Okay, and you'll be able to receive this notification, and your red packet claim will be located under your funding account. Just gotta check it out. That is it. That is how you get red packet code in Binance. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.